I'm looking for geckos in the trees. I love geckos. They're like me. But sometimes they're hard to find though. Do you know why? They have super gecko camouflage. Let's go and find some. Oh, wait, I found one. Let me get it. Touch. Aw, he likes me. I knew I would find a gecko. Yay! Look what I made just on my own. A Knex helicopter and a Knex bridge. This is the Golden Gate Bridge in California. Does it look amazing? I'm a good builder. Parachutes! Whee! A helicopter. Ooh! I'll tell you something special about this Romeo over here. He's really not a toy. He's the real Romeo. You want to know how I did it? I stole Romeo's shrink ray. I blasted him, and now he's a toy. The only problem is having one toy isn't enough. I want Gekko to be on this bridge too. I need to go find him. Hey Romeo, while I'm gone, you could play with all these toys. Hey, there's Gekko now! I'm gonna shrink you! Super Gekko camouflage! Oh no, he's gone! Wait, he's undid it! I need to sticky splat him! I'm ready. Wait, if I sticky splat him, we'll be stuck, and then I'll shrink him, and then I'll take the sticky splat off, and he's a little toy. Good idea? Okay, sticky splat. Sticky splat. Oh no, I didn't sticky splat him. I gotta get him. Aha! No, we got the shrink ray. Aha, thank you. Well, that looked good. I know why Night Ninja did this. He wanted to shrink me. He wanted to shrink me so I'm a toy. Now Night Ninja is a toy. And Night Ninja and Romeo can play together. Walk, walk, walk. Hey, walk, walk. I'm getting bigger. Much better. Maybe tomorrow we'll change Night Ninja back.
The toys used in the video are the Knex Click and Construct value set and the Knex Golden Gate Bridge. The Click and Construct value set includes 522 pieces, and my son built this really cool helicopter all on his own. And then my 11-year-old built this on his own. It's so cool. It is over 3 feet long.
I'm going to spray you.
Uh-oh! We really like this Golden Gate Bridge set. It's super fun. We've put our Legos on it and our pjmasks toys. Look! Woohoo!
I see you.
And it seems really sturdy.
Please like and subscribe and watch more videos. Guess what? I'm going to go snorkeling today. Yeah! I'm going to see lots of fishies. Are you ready? You're going to like this. 1, 2, 3, go. that was fun! Look, there's a rock crab. There's no one that needs me to be a hero today, so I'm going to play with my toys. Go, Catboy! Night Ninja and his box. Ooh, let's try Catboy. Catboy has super cat speed. I need to hide. There's a big bad wolf out there. Do you know a story about the bad wolf? I can't live in a house of straw or a house of sticks. I need a big, strong house. Wait, there's one. Wow! Little pig, let me in. Look, there's a wolf. He's huge. Hey, who's knocking? I better look out the window. Aw, cute little piggy. What do you want? Open up, there's a big bad wolf here. Going to eat me. There's a big bad wolf. There's? Quick, lock the door. Oh man, I don't like wolves. Hey, where you go? You're a superhero. You can stop a wolf once and for all. I guess I could help you. In the big bad wolf story, the wolf climbs through a chimney. Do I have a chimney? Nope. Aw man, I don't know how to get rid of them. Maybe today is not time to be a hero. It's time to be a coward! Hide! I thought you can't help me. Wait, I think I hear something. Sounds scary. It's a big bad wolf. I hear it scratching at the door. Gekko, do something. Okay, fine. Just today I'll be a hero. What? Oh no, the wolf is so scary! Hey, this is just Chase. You said this was the wolf the whole time? It's just a dog! And he's a rescue dog. He would try and save you from something. What, Chase? He just was trying to tell you you were getting chased by a big bad wolf. A big bad wolf? You play at my house for a while. Okay.
The toy used in this video is the pjmasks die-cast track set. This toy includes what you see here, and that is the track, this cool little opening here with the Ninjalinos, and a die-cast Catboy car. How it works is you place your Catboy car here, slide it back, press the pjmasks button. The car should go up the ramp. It can go through here or down here. It looks like a sticky splat right here. And that's this robot. Let's see if this works. Ready, set, go! Whoa, that was cool. Now, this ramp was in the lowered position. There's an area over here where you can raise the ramp. And let's see if we can get some Ninjalinos. Ready, set, go. Whoa, that worked perfectly. Well, I rate this toy a 5 out of 5. It is really cool. I love that it includes a die-cast car. And a Catboy car is my favorite out of all of them that you can collect. Well, everybody, please remember to click like and subscribe and check out more videos.